Welcome to my least favorite room in the house, the master bathroom. For a house that was originally built in 1935, this bathroom is pretty big, although I'm sure it's not original. We moved in almost 2 years ago at this point, and I've done my best to try to ignore everything about this room. The wall color, the tile choices, the lighting choices, the black window in the shower, the dirty grout, the dirty door trim, the sink that drips, the door that works every now and then, the tiny closet, literally everything. I didn't want to spend too much money or go all out on this makeover because hopefully sometime in the near future we'll be getting this bathroom. Speaking of future projects, I've actually been thinking about doing a house tour video to show you what we've done so far on the house and to explain our future plans. Let me know in the comments if that's a video you'd be interested in me sharing. Okay, so when I started this project, I decided to turn it into a challenge, and I invited my Instagram friends to make over their bathroom on a budget too. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, come join. I am at Katherine D. Forbes. I share all the real-time updates of my house projects over there. And of course, if you aren't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, just hit that subscribe button right below this video. That seriously goes a long way in supporting me and my channel. So I gave myself a $200 budget for this bathroom makeover, and I came up with a 4-step process. Declutter, clean, paint, decorate. I was all ambitious and had planned to do 1 step per day and knock it out super fast. But that did not happen. The decluttering process was pretty quick and easy. Since I moved to Nashville in 2011, I've lived in 5 different places. Moving so frequently has forced me to really minimize clutter overall. I went through all the drawers and under the sinks, pulled everything out, threw away a good bit, and then organized everything as I put it back. I did get 2 drawer organizers though, and those are really helping me keep things together. I also moved the organizer I was using for makeup and brushes to my bottom drawer to hold hair products, clips, and the million ponytail holders I don't really need. Anyone else buy more of those because you can't find the last pack you bought? Yeah, well, I found all of mine, so I'm set for a while. After that, I cleaned the grout lines. I did a whole separate video dedicated to that, so if you're curious how I got my grout lines looking so clean, go check out that video. I learned how to do this thanks to my floor painting projects though, and now I will do it on any and every tile floor we ever have. It's so easy and gets such good results. I mean, look at that. After decluttering and cleaning, it was time to paint. You know I love a good paint project. I kind of can't believe it took me almost 2 years to paint this bathroom. I prepped the bathroom for paint by taking off all the light switch and outlet covers and even cleaning behind those because, ew. I flipped my sweet potato fries, then took off the towel racks, had my avocado toast and fries for lunch, and then got to painting. I decided to use Sherwin Williams Repose Gray in here, which is the same color I used in the dining room. I had a little left of that I put in a Chinese to-go container, which I learned that trick from my mom. So I started with that to cut in around all the edges. Whoever painted in here before did not do a very good job of cutting in, but I guess better the white on the walls than the yellow on the trim. So whatever. And of course, I had to document this part. The process of making a room pretty isn't always so glamorous. But then finally I finished with the brush and was ready to pull out the roller. At this point, I've lost count of how many yellow walls I've painted over in the past 6 years. It's been multiple rooms in all 3 of our houses. If you are team gray paint like me, then I know you feel me on this one. So here's the view after just decluttering, cleaning, and painting. The bathroom already looks so much better. My hair, though, not so much. Anyways, into painting clothes to finish out the painting. And maybe you spotted that I totally forgot to paint in the built-in shelf area with the brush the first time around. I'm sure you can imagine I was super thrilled when I spotted that. So I taped off the shelves and got back to work. Then, of course, I couldn't reach all the way to the back wall of that top shelf, so I had to pull out the real ladder. And back to rolling again. Here's a good painting tip for you. I never clean off my roller between coats. I just wrap it in tinfoil, and it keeps the roller damp enough for whenever you're ready to paint the second coat. Favorite painting hack ever. And literally, this bathroom took so much painting, but I finally finished it with like 5 minutes to go. We had a local interior designer come over to give us her advice on a few things around the house. So with minutes to spare, I put on my real clothes, half did my hair, and quickly rolled out the new rug. And of course, the plastic wrapping was being such a pain to remove. I know you can't really see how the rug looks in here yet, but that's on purpose. Trust me, it's so good, so just wait. I still had to put the towel racks and light switch covers back up after the designer left, but then it was finally time for the finishing touches. I had gotten these candles when I went out shopping at the beginning of the project, and it was so hard not to light them before the decorating stage, but I waited so I could get this footage right here. At home might be my new go-to for candles. Then, time to style the vanity top. I really wanted to have the candles and plant on the tray here on the vanity. I tried several ways to organize it to make it work, but it just wasn't realistic for everyday use, so they ended up on the back of the toilet. I also picked up these shower curtain hooks at Home Goods because they matched the drawer pulls on the vanity. I wanted to get a shower curtain too, but our shower curtain is 72 by 84, and shower curtains sold in stores are 72 by 72. Taking the old hooks off was a pain because they were all rusty. They opened up just enough for me to be able to take off the liner to clean it every now and then, but getting them off the rod was annoying. I also got this short hanging closet organizer at Target to better organize our pants, but surprise, surprise, it was still too big for this closet situation because the shoe rack on the floor was getting in the way. So I'll just return the hanger organizer thing. You also probably noticed our closet doesn't have a real door on it. None of our closets do. It's weird, but okay. I've been replacing all the beige closet curtains one by one, and this is the last one in the house to go. This is just a white curtain panel from Target. I know it seems like a minor change, but it makes such a big difference to me. So, all in on this $200 DIY bathroom makeover project. I bought more paint for $35 at Lowe's. The little plant I think was $9.99. My 2 candles were $3.99 and $5.99. 2 frames from Michael's for $18. Photo prints were $3.99 each. Rug for $29.99. The hamper for $25. Shower curtain hooks for $5.99. Curtain for the closet $18.99. The 2 drawer organizers were $12 each. The Lucite makeup brush cup was $15. Toothbrush cup for $3.97. this little suction cup mirror that I haven't put up yet for $9.99. And I already had the drill brush, bathroom cleaner products, paintbrush, roller, and paint tray, so no added cost there. So my total cost rounds out to $215 plus tax. But hey, that's pretty good for setting a random $200 budget, right? So, are you ready for my $200 or $215 bathroom transformation? Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this transformation, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and I'll see you in the next video. Which, here are a couple of my most popular house project videos if you want to keep watching.